Welcome to the first of its kind Institute of Blood Diseases, Cancer and Stem Cell Research and Transplant in North Maharashtra and amongst very few in our country. The founder of the Lotus Institute, Mr. Pritesh Junagade, is a dynamic personality who leads Lotus.
Hello, I am Dr. Pritesh Junagade, a hematologist and an oncologist, and also specializing in bone marrow transplantation. Just a brief introduction about myself. My schooling was from Nirmala Convent High School, and after that I pursued my 11th and 12th graduation in RYK Science College. Then I wanted to do MBBS, went on to Grant Medical College and Sir JJ Hospital in Mumbai to do my MBBS. Spent 4.5 years there. After that, secured admission at MD Medicine course at Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College and Sion Hospital. After securing first rank in Mumbai University in 2001 and having been awarded a gold medal for the same in the same year, I went on to UK in 2001 to pursue my super specialty career in hematology, oncology and bone marrow transplantation. I was fortunate enough having been worked with the stalwarts in this field of hemato-oncology in UK, and then I did my 5 years training where I was trained in all the aspects of hematology, oncology and stem cell transplantation. I spent 5 long years and got well trained in the same. Then for a year I was working as a consultant in UK at St. George's Hospital and Royal Marsden Hospital. I decided to come back to my own country to serve my own people, and that I did so in 2008. After that, I have been working in Nasik city, and I also visit Mumbai at Mumbai Hospital once a week now. Whilst my stay in Nasik, I realized that I should have a own institute of mine where I can treat these special diseases which are very specialized, and till today there is no other specialist providing these services. So I wanted a good hospital for that, and that's how Lotus was born. Lotus Institute of Hematology, Oncology and Bone Marrow Transplantation is the only one of its kind in North Maharashtra and amongst very few in our country to have done a bone marrow transplantation successfully in a tier 2 city. We at Lotus treat many diseases. To name a few, anemia, which is the commonest disease we treat with a low hemoglobin. Then we treat patients with thrombocytopenia, meaning low platelet counts. Diseases like thalassemia, hemophilia is a disease where blood does not clot and there is excessive bleeding. We also treat the other spectrum, which is excessive blood clotting, which is called thrombosis in our terms. We give specialty medicines to treat the thrombosis, and also we have a special Lotus anticoagulation clinic in our hospital where we deal with patients who are on blood thinning tablets like warfarin. But our specialization is also within all cancers, especially blood cancers, namely acute leukemia, chronic leukemia, myeloma, lymphoma, and for these diseases we have special staff trained to give chemotherapy. Various aspects of chemotherapy are taken care of, and I am proud to say that we produce this chemotherapy very well in our state-of-the-art sterilization unit, so the chances of infection from this treatment are very few. We have also trained doctors to administer chemotherapy very well and also prevent the side effects, and if they occur, we are capable of managing the same. I am happy to say that I was the first one to do a bone marrow transplantation in the city of Nasik in 2010, and recently in January 2012 we did our first bone marrow transplantation at Lotus Institute, which was very successful. We also provide these specialty services at a greatly reduced cost by not compromising on the quality, because being my own hospital I have got control over all the costs. We also provide food at no extra cost to all our patients, because at a given time 70 to 80% of my patients are outside Nasik. They may not have relatives here. So we provide psychological support. We have got social workers. We have got psychological counselors who counsel my patients with cancer, because you all know cancer is a very rare disease. But at our institute, we have a holistic approach towards the cancer therapy. The bone marrow transplantation, which I mentioned about, is a very, very special treatment and very close to my heart, and that is the whole reason I wanted to come back to India and serve my own people here. Having done the first transplant successfully in a 14-year-old male child with leukemia, I can say that we can do this many more times in future at a greatly reduced cost. The chemotherapy, which is a special cancer medicine, is also provided by our pharmacy at a very reduced cost. Then we at Lotus also want to treat other blood disorders. There are new things which are coming up in my field of oncology. I want to get those new drugs available to my patients, and hence we have Lotus Institute of Clinical Research in this very building, and we are pursuing the research of new drugs. We are doing research into stem cells as well. Ahead, to provide services to all the masses, we have aligned with ESIC, which is the State Employees Insurance Scheme. We have an hospital empaneled with the same. We also have Jeevan Dayi Yojana, Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana, which is given by the government of Maharashtra to needy people. We can provide services to those people as well. And having said all this, my whole aim is to provide all these services to all the people in this area with good quality care, honest advice, and ultimately what I want as a doctor, which is very close to my heart, that the patient who comes to me with suffering goes away from this hospital taking good memories and having been treated for the disease he came to me. And I will keep on communicating with you at the time when new things come up at our institute, and I promise all the best treatment from my institute to all my patients coming here. Thank you.
Lotus has a special clinic, Lotus Anticoagulation Clinic, which deals with all kind of blood disorders. Here, we cater patients who take blood thinning tablets like Warfarin and Azithromycin. We do regular INR on fully automated machine to evaluate such patients and to decide about the duration of anticoagulation. Using fully automated machines helps to eliminate manual errors. We also perform special tests called thrombophilia test to determine the cause of thrombosis. Lotus has a separate department for hemophilia patients where they are given immediate treatment with clotting factors in emergency, and the records of these patients are kept securely. Lotus also has got supportive hands of social workers for patients' financial help if they are needy, as these treatments are expensive. We are strongly capable to perform all kind of bone marrow, stem cell, which is the only form of cure thalassemia and some blood cancers. It also helps in many other blood disorders. Let's take a look on Lotus' various departments. Medical store with difference. All cancer medicines are available here at lower price than retail shops. Some rare cancer drugs can be imported as we have a tie-up with an international firm. Medical social workers are available round the clock to provide financial and social help. Lotus can also get help from various NGOs, temple trusts, individuals, and Rotary International. Dr. Pritesh Zunagade's friends from overseas are also willing to help such needy patients. We have a special medical records department to keep all medical records of our patients. Ground floor. There are 3 consulting rooms. Central reception area to attend visitors, patients and their relatives. And patients waiting area. First floor. On first floor, there are 2 separate general wards and eating area for male and female patients. Room for chemotherapy preparation where we do aseptic drug preparation and record keeping of patient. Separate pediatric ward. ICU, intensive care unit for patients who are in critical conditions, and minor operation theatre. Second floor. Second floor is divided in 2 parts. Pathology laboratory. It's a state-of-the-art laboratory with all hematology and general blood test facilities provided on standard machines. Fully automated biochemistry machine where 100 tests can be carried out in an hour. Lotus has facility of BioRad 2 for all kind of thalassemia and sickle cell diseases diagnosis. We have IL7000 fully automated coagulation analyzer at Lotus where routine and special coagulation tests are carried out daily. We have Genio machine for serum protein electrophoresis. Histopathology and bone marrow trephine processing and reporting system. Special deluxe rooms are provided for patients who want deluxe comfort. On third floor, there are 2 bone marrow transplant rooms, the deluxe suite. Various drugs trials are carried out at Lotus which benefit our patients who can't afford these high expenses, and they are treated by expert doctors. Lotus has a seminar room with capacity of 50 people for various teaching programs, video conferencing and other institutes, rural hospitals and cancer awareness program. Now about some other facilities in Lotus. Lift. Safe drinking water. 5-course meal to all patients. Laboratory tests on land for easy and timely treatment. And at last, the staff of the Lotus. Lotus appoints trained staff from Tata Hospital to manage chemotherapy complications and treatments. We have trained and caring doctors available round the clock in Lotus.